School is all about learning, and ClasStars has the simplest formative assessment tool. Swipe to the left to activate the academic wheel. This means you've engaged this child academically. The options are incorrect, on track, other, basic, and advanced. There is no single swipe mode for this feature, so be sure to get comfortable with ClasStars before you start with this. When a positive academic engagement is recorded, you'll see a yellow notch in the meter. This way you can see which students you've engaged with a swipe up, which are non-academic engagements, and which are academic engagements. Positive academic engagements are more powerful, but the students need to answer correctly, so the weaker students might struggle with that. Now you know which students have been engaged academically. Select Quick Quiz from the menu, which will randomly select a student for you to ask a question. It isn't completely random. It actually leans towards those who have not been engaged as much, to bring everyone out of the shadows. It'll jump around the room until all of the students are engaged, but you can pause or stop it at any time. You can rearrange the class layout by selecting Arrange Layout from the menu. And it works just like we showed before. To summarize, take attendance, check homework, swipe up for positive feedback, down for negative feedback, right for real-time attendance, left for academic engagement. Have a clearer picture of all of the important things in the classroom in real time with just a swipe and a tap.